This is leaking. The drain valve is leaking. What a surprise.
Hello, friend.
Hey, how are you?
How are you? We winning the battle?
What's that?
We winning the battle?
A little bit. I drilled a hole down here.
A drain hole?
Just a drain hole. I think your plastic drain valve's leaking. It was really loose, so I tightened it down. But see the water right here?
It's from there?
It's from the hair probably. It's either rainwater getting in, somehow water's getting in, but now the water will drain, which will help. But these are notorious for leaking, so I'm tightening it as much as I can. That ought to help. But if it, I would check it in like a week. If it's still, if it's exactly. Put a brass, right? Put a
recorder, yeah.
Put anything, a cap, whatever you want, and then that'll stop it. I get a lot of Rheem water heaters because of that. I love it. It's the best defect they ever made. People throw them out. And then I test them, and they test. I test them, and they're good. And then I fix them up, and I put a brass one on there and sell them. Yeah, but they give you nice new parts. And then I just changed the valve. So I took your old valve out, and I put a different. It's not new, but it's working. It's good. So that came out of a water heater that just had a leak in the tank. So there's nothing wrong with the valve?
Now I'm working on another heater next door.
Oh, are you?
Yeah.
Oh man, you got
the pilot is lighting, but when we put it on, it is the old kind of
oh, mechanical one?
Yeah, the mechanical one. When we put it on, the flame goes out. Make a little explosion.
Oh really?
You can check them out and do.
Yeah, I'm here, yeah. I don't think they gave me the right size screw here. Oh wow. I got your old one. Yeah, I'll go check it out. It's exploding, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's not good.
It's like probably something dirty inside, I don't know.
Maybe. I just fixed the one that was doing that. Usually it's the gas is building up someplace, and then when it catches the pilot light, it makes that explosion. Is it a bunch of pressure too? Like it's going boom?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, I see that all the time. Oh. So you got to clean it. Yeah, sometimes you got to take it apart and clean it. And make sure there's no holes in the screen. So sometimes these screens.
I don't think you got that screen. They're the old type.
Oh, okay. Oh, really?
Yeah.
Like the burner?
Yeah.
Oh, really? Well, you don't see that very much. Do you mind if I keep this?
No, you can.
Oh, cool.
The other one I give you the motor up, you fix it. Huh? You know, I have 2 heaters on my storage. And I found one of what I buy from you.
Oh, is it good or bad? Or?
No, I mean I think I bought it from you and I don't use it. But you know.
So you don't need one then?
I can keep it. After 65.
Well, you said you wanted one, right? Or?
Yeah, after 65 you start to forget.
Oh yeah, I bet.
My friend, amigo, you got his number already? The water heaters.
Oh really?
He's the best.
I'm doing all tankless now.
Oh, okay.
I just put them in myself. It's pretty easy, the tankless ones. I put that one behind you.
Yeah, that looks good.
I mean, you know, for my second one, not too bad, right? Sure, there's some things you could look at and say could be done better, but
Yeah.
We're not looking that hard. Yeah, I'll take a look at it.
they don't make the outdoor water. They don't make those water heaters like they used to. They got like 5 years of them. That's it.
That's it.
Yes.
Even 2 weeks. Are you recording
Last
yourself?
thing, and then we can fire it up. Nice. A little better. Okay, we're gonna call this one done. Replace the burner assembly, replace the valve. Kept the old cover, I had to because of the sensor. And fired right up, got a blue light. Appreciate you watching this video. Have a great day.